This one is a mother, and she's taking her young family for their first nighttime walk. To ensure they don't get lost in the darkness, they literally keep in touch. The babies hold on tight until they reach the safety of a new nest. Touch not only helps them find their way, they use it when hunting. Weighing less than a ping-pong ball, Etruscan shrews are the world's smallest terrestrial mammal. But they're still formidable predators. Some of the hairs on the end of their noses have become enlarged into whiskers that are especially sensitive to touch. Like an extra pair of hands, they guide them on a never-ending search for a meal. To fuel their frenetic lifestyle, they feed every few hours. A bush cricket. It's almost as big as she is, and well able to make a quick getaway. She will need the lightest of touches if she's to catch it. So she switches to whisker mode. To prevent it escaping, she must grab one of its jumping legs. She won't get a second chance. It's a relatively enormous meal, but she must eat a lot to feed her ever-growing family and fuel her fast-paced lifestyle. So she'll soon be out hunting again.